When homeowners think about replacing windows, energy efficiency and appearance often come to mind first. While these are important benefits, there are other advantages that are just as impactful but sometimes overlooked. One of the biggest hidden perks of replacement windows is improved noise reduction. For homeowners in Pell City, upgrading windows can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and overall quality of life. How outside noise affects daily living. Every home is exposed to some level of outside noise. Traffic, neighborhood activity, lawn equipment, and everyday sounds can easily travel indoors through older windows. Over time, constant noise can become tiring and disruptive. In Pell City homes, older windows often have worn seals or thin glass that allow sound to pass through with little resistance. This makes indoor spaces feel less peaceful than they should be. Why older windows let noise through. Sound enters the home through gaps, weak seals, and poorly insulated glass. Even small openings around window frames can allow noise to travel indoors just as easily as air. Many older windows in Pell City homes were not designed with sound control in mind. As seals wear down, the ability to block outside noise decreases significantly. How replacement windows reduce noise. Replacement windows are designed to create a tighter barrier between indoor and outdoor spaces. Improved sealing, thicker glass, and better frame construction all work together to reduce noise transmission. For Pell City homeowners, this means outside sounds are softened rather than eliminated completely. The reduction in noise creates a calmer indoor environment that's easier to relax in. Creating a more peaceful living space. One of the most immediate benefits homeowners notice after installing replacement windows is a quieter home. Sounds that once felt intrusive become background noise. In Pell City, this improvement is especially noticeable in bedrooms, living rooms, and home offices. A quieter environment supports better sleep, concentration, and relaxation. Improved comfort beyond sound control. Noise reduction goes hand in hand with improved indoor comfort. Replacement windows also help limit drafts and maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. For Pell City homeowners, fewer drafts and reduced noise combine to create spaces that feel more comfortable and inviting throughout the day. Enjoying your home without distractions. A quieter home allows homeowners to enjoy daily activities without constant interruptions. Conversations, entertainment, and downtime feel more enjoyable when outside noise is reduced. In Pell City homes, replacement windows help create an environment where homeowners can truly unwind. Supporting focus and productivity. Home offices and study spaces benefit greatly from reduced noise. Replacement windows help minimize distractions that can interrupt focus. For Pell City residents who work or study from home, this quieter environment can make a noticeable difference in productivity and comfort. Long-term benefits. You feel every day. Noise reduction isn't a one-time benefit, it's something homeowners experience daily. Replacement windows maintain their performance over time, continuing to block sound as seals remain intact. Pell City homeowners appreciate that this comfort lasts for years without ongoing adjustments. Enhancing overall home enjoyment. Replacement windows do more than improve appearance and efficiency. They enhance how a home feels from the inside out. For homeowners in Pell City, the hidden perks of noise reduction and improved comfort make replacement windows a worthwhile investment, one that brings peace, quiet, and everyday enjoyment back into the home.